Well, in class, we're going to go over 3.2 now. So we're going to solve inequalities using addition and subtraction. So yesterday we just went through equalities, graphing them. Now we're going to start solving them. So when we solve it, we're going to solve it by adding and subtracting. It's just like an equality. So we're going to treat it just like an equal sign, and then we'll check solutions. So when you graph, how do you tell if the dot is open or closed? So what from yesterday told us if it was open or closed. Open dot, remember, if it's less than or greater than. Closed dot, if it's equal to. All right, when you graph, how do you tell which side to shade? If it's greater than, we shade to the right. Less than, shade to the left. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and solve and then graph each one. So we're going to treat this just like an equals. So remember, put down your river. Now we want to get x by itself. So how do I get rid of 3? We add 3. So it cancels off, and we have x is less than 8. So remember, less than means open dot. So we go put that down, go to 8, put open dot. We want values that are less than that, so we shade to the left. We can check it. Guys, choose a value that's less than 8, any value less than 8, and see if it works. Come down here, draw your river. Oops, there's our river. Now to get rid of it, we subtract 5. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So x, going from x is what compared to 4? Well, it's open, so that means it's greater than or equal to. So you go to negative 4, put a point. Since it's equal, it's a closed dot. We want values that are x are greater than it, so we shade to the right. Then you can check your work. This is saying any value that's bigger than it or equal to it. So we could use negative 4. Is negative 4 greater than or equal to negative 4? Yes. Is 2. Is 2 greater than or equal to negative 4? Yes. Draw your river. Oops, then out of order. But draw your river, isolate it, and solve. Negative 2 plus 7 is 5. So it's equal to, so we go to 5, closed dot. X, it's the pointy end's pointing towards the x, so that means it's less than, so we shade to the left. So again, this is just like, and then you can do these two. Check them, take a little bit of time, stop in the video, and solve those two. See if you get them right. If you get them right, great. All right, stop the video. Now, come back, should be x is less than 2, and then m is greater than 2. And you can graph those and see if you got them right as well. Both of them should be open dots as you go to graph. Last one is a story problem. The maximum safe load, so the most it could lift is 680 pounds. A cyclist rides a chairlift with his bicycle. The cyclist weighs 124 pounds and the bicycle weighs 32 pounds. Which inequality best describes how much additional weight, in W, the chairlift could safely carry? So think about the max, the most it could take is 680 pounds. So if I look at this, if the most I could take, it means I need weight that's under that or equal to it. So if I look at this, greater than or equal to. It can't be more than 680 pounds, so this would not work. So you come over here. Can't be greater than 680 pounds, so that couldn't work. So my only two answers would be C or A. A or C could be the only two that work. So if I look at it, so I'm adding the weight of the cyclist plus the bike plus someone else's weight, whatever weight is left, and that would set up an equality. So C would be my correct answer. And then we go to decimal points. If we go to decimal or fractions, still same rule. Draw your river. So if we come here, draw a river. How do I get rid of 0.9? Well, I would add it. And so my answer would be x is less than, or y is less than. Just notice I kind of switched the sides. We still have the y. The small point is pointing towards y. So it's still written correctly. Same thing here. We want to subtract the 3/4. Now we need a common denominator To do that, it should be 13/4 as you go through. Again, if you looked at it, like K switch sides, all it's saying is it's still the small n is pointing towards K. So that's our work for today. Just remember, solve the inequalities. It's not your homework. So don't worry about that. Check your solutions, and we'll go from there.